Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video with all the stuff that I'm packing to take for my quick trip to New York. Some of you may have seen I had some anxiety about this just because I want to look cool. I don't know. I want to look like I belong in New York. And so I've been thinking about this in my mind for a long time, and tonight I finally got all the pieces together. This is everything I'm bringing, but there was a lot more on this rack while I was making the during the decision process. So like I had another pair of shoes here, I had another jacket here, I had some other tops, and kind of just as I went through things was able to see which things I could get away without. So here's what I'm gonna be taking. So on the airplane, I'm gonna just be wearing plain old leggings and this long sleeve t-shirt. On the plane, I also am gonna be kind of wearing some of my heavier layers. One, because I always freeze on the plane, and two, because it saves some room in my suitcase. So with this top, I'm actually gonna wear this long black cardigan, and I'm also gonna wear one of the two jackets that I'm bringing with me. So these kind of 4 items are not gonna be packed in my suitcase, they're gonna be on my body. So that helps take up, or save some room in my suitcase. I'm there for just 2 full days and kind of 2 travel days. So on the second day that I get there, I think it's just gonna be pretty casual, like walking around town. And I decided to do denim on denim. I wore this last week and I really liked it. And so I was like, okay, I feel good in that, I'll take that. So yeah, Madewell jeans, vintage top, and these white sneakers is gonna be what I need for that day. And then if I need a jacket that day, I'll have this one to go with that. And I'll probably wear this around on the 3rd day as well. I always wear things multiple times on a trip. But then halfway through the 2nd day, we actually have some things that are like slightly nicer restaurant, slightly nicer, like we're going to an art show, which I'm really excited about. So on that day, I'll probably change sometime in the middle of the day. So I'm gonna wear this new tunic that I just finished making, and really had been planning to make this so I'd have it on this trip for a while. So this is the Elizabeth Suzanne Harper tunic pattern with fabric from Blackbird Fabrics. And I just have a pair of Ponte pants, basically a thicker legging. As I was planning for this trip, I realized something I usually have that I could have made use of was a pair of black jeans. My black jeans are currently too small, and so I didn't have any in my wardrobe. So I went on Poshmark and ordered a pair 2 sizes up from the last pair that I owned. And they came last week and they were still too small. So I cried, and then I figured I don't want to wear hard pants anyway. Like, I just want to be super comfortable. So again, wearing these kind of nice leggings with this tunic. And the idea with this cardigan is that I want to have a middle layer that I can take on and off as I get hotter or colder, because as you guys all know, like if you're walking around a city, you actually get pretty warm. And so I may not need this, but then I might need it at night and in the mornings. And so this is really just an in-between layer that I can put on over any of this stuff under my jacket if I need a little more warmth. So I might need that on Friday night over the tunic. I might not. And then I just am gonna bring kind of a little bit of a nicer like cocoon coat for going to the nicer places. And so that will go over these two items there. And then I'm bringing, to go with those nicer things, I'm bringing 1 pair of black boots. So, and these are comfy boots and they fit my orthotics. And then the 4th day will be the day that I travel again. And at this point, what I always try and do with packing is to make sure that with what I'm taking, I have lots of interchangeable options. So even though I'm planning on doing kind of like this outfit for traveling, this outfit for casual around town, this outfit for nicer around town, the nice thing is that almost everything can mix and match with each other, right? So if I wanted to do, this shirt and jeans with the black boot, I could do that. Or I could do it casual with the sneaker. Or if I wanted to do this tunic with jeans and boots, I could do that. And this top doesn't really work with either of the pants because they're both more leggings, and this shirt for my comfort level is not quite long enough. But I've got lots of options, and even actually if I wanted to do something like this, like do casual leggings, this top, and then this cardigan over it. The cardigan is long enough that I feel comfortable doing it with leggings, and that would be cute with the sneaker or with the boot. So again, that's one of my, a few things that I always try and do is rewear things while I'm on the trip, make sure things go with multiple things that I'm bringing, wear my layers on the plane, make sure I have layers for taking on and off throughout the day. This is all actually quite a bit more than I would normally take, again, because of that anxiety. Sometimes you just want to feel safe and feel like you have what you need. And so a lot of times I wouldn't maybe do the 2 pairs of shoes, and I also wouldn't probably do 2 coats, and I am also bringing 2 bags, which is not what I'm typically doing. But this backpack will be on the airplane. Again, it's not going to get packed. I'm going to be carrying it on the airplane. It's going to be for casual days when I want to carry a lot of stuff with me. And then for the night when I don't want to carry a casual backpack, I just have this simple Madewell tote that just kind of can go lots of levels of casual or dressy. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know, put something in the comments, message me questions. And I have a worksheet for you that you can download to kind of go through this process on your own for your next trip. Bye.